sucks.
And Chad, for some reason, only got the setup where I can FaceTime him.
What the
He wants me to call him while he's taking turds.
This looks bad.
Do you think we're gonna make it?
No. I gotta get Robert. Shorty! Oh, he... I go get Primo. Did they already get Cuz? They didn't get Cousin, did they? Y'all ready?
I got the straight stuff there too.
Cool. Let's go. They're right up here. You follow me? All right, let's go, Primo. Chillin', baby, back rib. Barbecue sauce, chili, baby, back rib. I don't know which way they went. Yeah, I know. Not too low. I think I know where he's talking about. I think. Kill the motor real quick. Over here. No. I don't hear shit. Do you hear shit?
Here, Little Wayne.
Little what?
Little Wayne.
Little Wayne?
Yeah, yeah.
He's got his damn freaking... I don't know where the hell
Okay.
Alright, well I guess we'll just...
Where did they go? Why did he come to these Dr. Pepper? He just told me about Dr. Pepper.
I don't know.
Film on top of it. There's no way they just can't go.
Yeah. Oh shit. You alright? Yeah, I don't see any tire marks here.
No, there's a film on top.
Yeah. They didn't go this way.
Call him.
Oh, on my phone. And he don't have his phone either. Do you have Chad's number?
Who's?
Chad?
Yeah, hold on.
I just hear Lil Wayne. I was what the hell are you talking about? Wait. Oh yeah, that's gotta be them. Yeah.
Right in front of us?
I think so.
There's no way they came through.
Yeah, I know, right?
You think they went around?
Oh look how it looks after we came through though.
Want me to call Chad or
Oh,
Kim?
maybe you're right.
Let's just try. Let's just see real quick.
Like maybe it's cold.
Yeah.
All this wear and tear you're putting on my bike, bro.
Damn. Y'all didn't happen to see a big group coming by here, did y'all?
No.
No? Okay.
I actually looked at it for a while, actually.
Okay. All right, thank you. Ah, that sucks. Yeah. Just keeps on catching it. No? We
We
can
can just back up and go to another park.
let's go. I mean we can just go back that way and we can just explore ourselves.
Just like we did it before, now it's just you and me.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Just do that.
And Chad, for some reason, only got the setup where I can FaceTime him.
What the fuck?
He wants me to call him while he's taking turds and shit. Nasty. Yo!
Nothing?
It
So-
sucks because now your batteries are with him.
Yeah. Oh shit, they are. Oh. Well, oh well. It is what it is. Hold on, baby. We gonna chew through this. Just think about that trail. Just think about that. It looks good, don't it? That looks good. Oh, I remember this trail now. Kind of. I got stuck there. It was nice. It was nice. Damn, that's a hill climb right there. Holy crap.
Can you actually do that?
No.
Why are there side by side?
Those side-by-sides can.
Oh my gosh, that's
That's crazy, isn't it? I mean, nobody's done it in a while. You can tell there's no...
Well, it's horrifying.
Right?
And I don't know if there's a top, like any trail to go to at the top.
Right? Alright, hold on, baby. We're gonna be getting a little tipsy and curvy. You holding on?
Which way to lean.
Just try to hold on. Just try to hold on. Look at that. Oh, look at that.
There's bamboo out here.
Oh shit, it sure is. Can you just like break that off and plant it or no?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
It's super invasive. You have to be careful with that stuff.
Man, look at that cliff.
It's beautiful. Look at the rock.
Wow, that's crazy.
And there's a beer can on that beautiful rock.
Oh, right there?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's see what this looks like. Okay, baby, holding on, babe? You good?
Yep.
Let me go make sure. Look at it.
Take this tire in here.
That's perfect. Nice. I think I got a rock or something in my boot somehow. I don't know. How the hell does that happen? Oh, I bet you it's a damn pistachio shell.
Oh my gosh. I bet you're right.
You've screwed me again. Oh, that looks real bad. Ooh. I think we should try it though. You ready? Hold on, babe. Hold on. Oh, you hold on? All right. All right. Give us some power. There we go. There you go. Woo! You couldn't do that on a Honda. You can, I'm serious. You stopped and then you flung. That's awesome. Baby, you gonna drive? Oh, my stomach hurts so much. I shouldn't have eaten that whatever Robert gave me. That messed my stomach up so bad.
The slaughter room floor sandwich.
Oh yes. I don't know what the hell.
And pickles.
I'm gonna go around this shit. Yeah, and pickles. Shit, this looks bad.
Do you think we're gonna make it?
No. No. No, baby. You're gonna have to hold on again.
I got the rack.
You got the rack? Yeah, you got the racks? Here we go. Yes. Yes. Oh, my stomach.
It's soft. You gonna shit your pants?
I think I am.
Boots too.
Oh,
You better hold it
it
in.
really hurts.
Go take a dump in the woods, but don't shit your pants.
Oh. Okay, Primo. Here we go. Okay, which way do we need to go? Okay, hold on, baby. Woo! Woo!
Tight for a second.
Ooh. Nice. Whoa! Oh!
They kill it?
Killed it! It's like the pistachio's killing my foot.
Maybe I know how much you like to complain. I know something about
I needed something to complain about.
Prince and the pistachio.
Nobody. Damn, that's crazy. So just so you know, babe, that is a complete drop off.
Oh.
Right there, like it drops off, like there's a fucking cliff side.
Oh my god.
So, right there, it's a cliff. It goes down like 30-40 feet. Yeah.
Isn't that crazy?
Is this the spot I'm thinking? We're on the edge of a cliff the whole way here.
No.
Yeah. Yeah, there's a beach where you can go down there and swim and stuff. But yeah, it's on a cliff. It's a sheer drop off.
Wow.
That's crazy.
That's really pretty.
Yeah. Make sure Robert doesn't go in there. Primo likes to test his luck sometimes. All the time, actually.